Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello friends and welcome back. Today we're diving into the DXY and Bitcoin as we kick off September. The DXY hit a significant bottom at around $100 on August 28th, a level we've seen before in both December and July of 2023. Since then, it's climbed 1.18%, showing some strength as it rebounds. On Bitcoin's 4-hour chart, signs are pointing towards a potential bottom. Our wave trend indicator has just flashed a green dot, and money flow is turning positive. The 12-hour chart is also backing this up, suggesting that we might be on the verge of an upward trend. This could be the start of something promising. September has been historically rough for Bitcoin, with only 3 positive months in the last decade. However, if we look at the pattern following red Augusts, there have been 4 red Septembers, but also 3 positive ones, offering some hope for a better outcome. Interestingly, after a bear market, Bitcoin has never seen 3 consecutive red quarters. With quarters 2 and 3 of 2024 already in the red, history suggests that quarter 4 could turn positive. This could potentially push Bitcoin to over $100,000 by the end of the year. That's it for today's analysis. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. And see you in the next one.